Alright guys, welcome back to the Combustion Guys YouTube channel and Hunting Cars Online, or heavy trucks as it were. So today we're going to be checking out the brand new 2024 GMC Heavy Duty Sierra. So we got the 2500 and the 3500. We can see the price difference right there, about $1,000 difference is basically what you're looking at just on the starting prices. So that's what we're looking at right there. So we'll go ahead and pop into the 2500 and see what options we have, and we'll start building here. Alright guys, so we hopped on over to the 3500, so we're going to take a look at the prices real quick as we kind of rush build some of these, so we can look at regular cab long bed, that's going to start you at about $48,000. Double cab long bed, $50,000. Crew cab standard bed, $52,000. And crew cab long bed, $52,000. About $200 more there. Then you got the trim levels that we have available. No, there's one AT4, so not available with the AT4X. So we go to the dual wheel. And here's what, let's go ahead and look at this real quick. Just one thing. Go ahead and get the two-wheel drive rear wheel. And let's look at the prices here. So the Pro is going to start at $53,000 with the gas. Goes all the way up to $64,000 with the spec'd out turbo. Diesel, you got the SLE, that starts at $58,000 and goes to $69,000. The SLT goes from $66,000 to $75,000. The Denali goes from $79,000 to $89,000, and the Denali Ultimate, that's going to start right at $101,000. And boy, you wish you had that money because you could use it. That's how that works. Alrighty, so let's take a look at just the Pro here real quick. We'll just go ahead and pop in and see what options this has, and it actually has the downpour metallic, which I really do like this color on these trucks. It looks really good, but all the same options there. We got 17 wheels. We also got center caps that we can add on, so that's your only tire option. In the cloth, we got basically the same thing we had in the 2500. 3 different options there for you to go through. All the same options in packages, and it's going to be basically the same options in that, it looks like, but that's going to get you at about $54,000 right there. Go back to trims here. Hop on into the SLE. Check out this. All the same colors once again, although you can get the redwood metallic. And I do want to see what this looks like with the duals once it changes. And hello, that looks nice. We got 17 painted, or we can go with the forged aluminums. See if those pop in or not. And those currently are not available. It appears to be able to see what those look like, but that's a $650 option you can add on. We do have the dark walnut slates. That's the interior option that we add on with SLE. See what that looks like on the interior. And with that red color on the outside, this on the inside, I think that's a pretty cool looking truck. We do have the convenience package. We'll add that on here just so we can get those amber lights added on to the top of it. And I don't think it's going to be... Ooh, we do have assist steps. We'll add that on. And we'll add on this right here. And what we're going to see is what that looks like on the truck. Options, about the same all the way through, so we know what that looks like. Let's take a look around the truck here really quick. We're rushing the website a little bit, but I think it can hopefully take some of that. So there we go. There's the exterior with the step, long bed, dually, and it looks really good. That is a good looking truck. Alrighty, like that. Alrighty, go all the way back to trims. We're going to hop on into the SLT. So I don't think, from what I remember, other than the, let's see, we'll go with my blue color. Really do like that. So, yep, they already gave me the warning on that. We do get another wheel option, so we do have the forged aluminum wheels. Those are not popping up for us to see, but we can get the 18s, it looks like. We'll add those on, see what that changes, if it changes. There we go, that looks good. Center caps, those are still on there. We got the leather, we're now up to the leather interior. Once again, that looks really, really good, especially with the blue on the outside. We'll see if there's anything. We can get a Texas edition of this, so that's going to get us the rectangle assist steps added on. We'll go ahead and add that and just see what it looks like here. I think that's going to be about it. We'll go ahead and add that LED illumination while we're there. And take a look at this truck. So, Texas edition. We'll see what it looks like with the trim. And it looks pretty good. So Texas logo right there. And that interior color is a really good match for the that dark red color and then this blue. Take a look at that real quick. Once that pops up. Yep, so there's that interior. Yep. So dark blue on the outside, you hop in and this is the color inside. I like that. I like that a lot. Alrighty, then going to the Denali here. We'll go ahead and leave it. This is going to get you the all-wheel drive, so not just the two-wheel drive anymore. So now you have the all-wheel drive option. Go ahead and go with that beautiful blue. And we get 18's standard wheels with the Denali cap. That's kind of cool. We get the Denali interior with the jet black, or we can go with the brown. It kind of cuts off over here, so I can't see if it's brown. I think it's brown stone, but I also want to say brown storm for whatever reason. And there's that beautiful brown interior. So dark blue on the outside, beautiful brown interior once you step on the inside. Do like that. Go ahead and add, looks like we already got the lights on there, so we'll just leave that off. We'll put on the illumination package just to see what that looks like. That's going to get you $81,000. Go ahead and go all the way to the end here. Take a look at the truck on the outside, because this is just going to be, it's going to be expensive, that's for sure, these 3500s. But ooh, there we go. Nice. Nothing like a GMC grill. I don't know what it is, but the GMC grills, I really like the styling for whatever reason. I don't know why. It looks good. Come on. There it is. But yeah, that dark brown interior once you step inside, that's the color combo that really makes the truck. Because you go from this on the outside and you step in and it's this beautiful brown color. Yep, I like it. Alright, let's go with the ultimate Denali. And this only gives you the option for the Duramax Turbo Diesel, so that's going to put you right at 101,000 without you even having to try to do anything. So there's the dark blue. You got the more the dark gray, dark chrome coloration on the exterior. Only one option, that's the 18s. You got the Alpine interior color. That's going to look good with the blue. Stepping on in. Go ahead and get that illumination package added on. We'll get the gooseneck package on. We'll get the cargo convenience package added on. We'll just go ahead and just add on things here that we may or may not need. Just a bit. Mechanical options, all that's added on. Straight to the summary, and once again, just it's a good looking truck. Really do like the blue color, really do dig that. That is a really nice looking blue. And there we go, that's a cool looking truck. Yep. And then stepping right on in to beautiful brown interior there with the Alpine. That's cool. Alrighty guys, so let's go back to configuration. So obviously I don't need a longer bed, so what I'd probably go with here, so obviously we're stuck in 3500 right now, but this goes for the 2500 as well. More than likely, I would just go with the crew cab because that's just nice because it can be a nice people hauler, but it can also have a good sized bed that you can work on as well. Usually I don't need all-wheel drive, just thinking of current driving style and whatnot, but four-wheel drive could come in handy in future, so that's always something I could do. So really, I mean, SLT seems like a pretty nice starting place. Or SLE seems like a pretty nice starting place, although the Pro looks really good too. So I mean, either one of those seems like a good place to start, and it also saves a little bit of your bank, more than likely. So that's always helpful. AT4 though, I do like that truck. That is really cool, and just has some nice styling that I really can enjoy quite a bit. Denali, is it worth it? If you want that really nice interior, yes. If you're not necessarily a lover of really nice leather interiors, and you can go and you can get by with maybe just a little bit less, you can probably go with an SLE or an SLT and be just fine, and save, what is that, about $17,000 or so. So yeah, that's definitely probably where I would go. I would love an AT4 because I really do like the styling on those, but probably a Pro or an SLE would be fine for me, so that would be kind of my pick, honestly. And then of course running the gas engine as well to save some moolah on that. So anyways, really cool trucks, nice to see the new styling, and definitely some nice color options as well, especially that blue. That's a really cool looking color. So anyways guys, that's going to be it for the 3500 and 2500 GMC Sierra HD build throughs, and hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to check out the merch store, because every purchase that you make there helps out the channel a whole bunch. Don't forget to check out for 20% off, because that's always a potential deal that could be going on. So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.